I found this helicopter which has seen better days, and it sadly told me it wanted to be something better and not just thrown away. I pondered this for a while, thinking how I could make this helicopter more awesome, and also should I book myself into a clinic, as toys are now starting to talk to me. So I drew a detailed picture, unfortunately not to scale, of what I wanted to build. An Interceptor spaceship. My name's Aaron, and you're watching Terrain by Aaron. I started by taking the insides out of the toy and got to trimming the tail. Well, okay, cutting the tail off. Once that was done, I then went about doing some cleanup on certain other little areas. Happy with the basic shape, I turned my attention to where the buttons had been. To fix the gaps, I used a little styrene and then put the helicopter back together. To cover the screw holes, I used some sprue goo. This is my preferred method of filling in gaps because it dries a lot quicker and sands easily. Once everything was dry and I sanded things down, I tackled the hole where the propeller had been by using a piece that I'd taken off. I covered other various little holes and gaps using the same method. Then it was time for kit bashing. I found this and it was cheap as chips in my local hobby store. I bought it mainly because it had skis. I didn't follow the instructions simply because I was going to use some sprues just as the legs that attach to the skis. More on those later. For now, I'm trying to find something that will fit as a thruster for the back of the helicopter slash spaceship. And as luck would have it, I dove into one of my many bit boxes and found a perfect match that I needed. Also, I thought I'll greeble it up using some tank tracks. I cut the tank tracks down to size and just stuck them onto the lid. Then it was just a simple task of gluing the lid to the helicopter. Next it was time for the landing legs. I used sprue for the legs as I thought it would be stronger for the helicopter to sit on. Hands up all those in the audience who thought I was heading for a disaster. Shame on you. As I thought, the sprues were strong enough to hold the helicopter in place. I did a little research on Mitsubishi along with Krupps, and it would seem they all had fingers in the pie during both World Wars. The more you know. With this kit I'm just using the wings for my Interceptor. And while I do that, it's subscriber corner. I'm leaving names on screen from viewers who have left comments, so keep them coming, as the more interaction from you guys keeps my videos in the YouTube algorithm, allegedly. Please also don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. While I was building the main wings, it became apparent that they were too big and I didn't want to chop them down, so I used the tail end of the aircraft for my Interceptor. While I was putting those wings on, I noticed there was a seam showing down the front of the helicopter, so with a little Vallejo hobby putty, I'm just going to cover that seam in. I'll let that dry and then I can just sand it down. I'll use my finger, whichever comes first. The other half was clearing her bag out the other day and left this on the table. I'm not sure if it works. Well, it's safe to say it doesn't work now. I'm going to use this as the missile for the front of my Interceptor. I'll also use that front doohickey bit from the airplane. No doubt a subscriber will tell me what it's called. Just as a little greebly, just to greebly it up. and then stick it to the front of the Interceptor. Then I just went around and just added little greeblies here and there, what I thought looked good and cool. Checking over my drawing, I realised I needed a top wing, which I used the rails, which were the legs of the model, and the last ski to fashion some sort of odd wing looking thing for the top of my spaceship. I added the bomb from the aircraft to the bottom of my missile, and my Interceptor spaceship was complete. So there it is, all greebled up and ready for prime, which I'm gonna do next off screen this time because everybody's seen me prime 1 or 2 spaceships. I'm gonna paint this white and try and dirty it up with a wash later. I lay down some red in certain areas, and while I do that, it's code word time. Put this code word in your comments so I know you got here before zapping to the glamour shots, and the code word is Commander Stracker. And just for fun, you get a non-negotiable fake bonus point if you can guess where that name came from. And it came from a 70s TV show. The wash is from Vallejo. Now it says on the bottle for dark colours only, but I like to live dangerously, so I throw it down all over my white paint and dab it off with a paper towel. And that's basically it. That's how I made a helicopter into an Interceptor spaceship, just using a broken child's toy. So next to the glamour shots, and all that's left for me to say is thanks very much for stopping by. I appreciate all your support. Keep scratching that build, everybody.